fundamentally shifted. It will never be the same again. We will never again have a country where there are shareholders and non-shareholders. We will never again have a country where opportunities are only given to certain groups and not others. We will never again have a country where public servants swallow money and vomit on the people. This is the end of that. And as a country, we must now have a conversation. Conversation machakore mane grassroots. Gen Zima Migori, what is your biggest priority? Gen Zima Homa Bay. National conversation on how the politics of this country is going to shift forever, so that this country can never again be a preserve of just a few people and just a few elite. And the leaders must work for the people. Chel we okeni eno di duogo kendo tiyo igni apar kori ukacha. Wan kaka jotelo moyier nyaka wasik mana kwa ng'eyo ni pesa jopiny momiu ekete lwetwa nyaka watigo in an accountable fashion mondo mi warie tich, mondo mi benefit odhine ji te. To mane conversation manyaka bede Kenya mangima e nying Ruoth Yesu. Ero uru kamana inya governor.
Owacho kose ok owacho?